That glass represents you, and the fluid inside is your conditioned patterns. This jar represents God, your will, and the seeds of the Spirit. Using your willpower, you will produce positive thoughts and add them to your existing negative thoughts. And just watch this experiment and see what happens when you continuously, every single day, add positivity, abundance, willingness. At first, it doesn't make a big difference, but you just continue to add and continue to think these thoughts, positive thoughts. Think of your dreams, everything you want to achieve. And notice what starts to happen to the water. It slowly starts to change and to dilute. And the more and more you consistently add all these positive things into your thought capacity, you create a habit. And that habit continues to pour more and more joy, willingness, happiness, abundance into that cup of dark water. Notice the jar representing the Godhead is abundant, and the water just keeps coming and coming. After a while, the water is almost completely diluted, and still the Godhead provides more and more and more until finally you are just like the Godhead. Everything has been dissolved. You now represent willingness, happiness, abundance, and you have an unlimited supply. As I said before, it takes willpower to change your state of mind to a positive one if you have a negative and a continuous habit. So, what's the main idea to this whole experiment? Well, it's autosuggestion. Napoleon Hill states that autosuggestion is a term which applies to all suggestions and all self-administrated stimuli which reaches one's mind through the five senses. Alright? And through the dominating thoughts which one permits to remain in the conscious mind, these thoughts, be negative or positive, is all immaterial, but the principle of autosuggestion voluntarily reaches the subconscious mind and influences it with these thoughts. All the intelligent thinkers of their time have said that the subconscious mind is the dwelling place of God, or the imagination is also another dwelling place. So, if you're able to program these, you're on your way. Like, comment, and share so I may reach the right people. Thank you.